In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Insightly CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull your contact data out of Insightly into a file you can open in Excel or any spreadsheet tool. Let's start from inside your Insightly account on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the full contacts list, where you can see all the people currently stored in your CRM. Once you're on the Contacts page, decide whether you want to export all of your contacts or just a specific group. At the top of the list, right above the first row of contacts, there's a checkbox in the header. If you click this checkbox, Insightly will automatically select every contact currently shown in the list. This is ideal if you need a full backup or want to move everything into another system. If you only want to export certain contacts, instead of using the top checkbox, select the individual checkboxes next to the specific contacts you want. You can also use filters or search first, then select just the results you care about. Taking a moment here to be intentional about your selection will save you from exporting more data than you need. After you've selected your contacts, look at the top menu bar on the Contacts page. You'll see an option labeled Export. Click that. This opens the Insightly Export tool, which is where you'll choose the format for your file. You'll be given at least two options: Export to CSV or Export to Excel. CSV is a very flexible format that works with almost any tool, while Excel is perfect if you know you'll be working in Microsoft Excel specifically. If you're not sure which one to choose, CSV is usually the safest default and can still be opened in Excel or Google Sheets. Once you've selected your preferred format, confirm the export. Insightly doesn't download the file directly in your browser. Instead, it prepares the export in the background and sends you a link by email. Now, open your email inbox that's associated with your Insightly account. Within a short time, you should see a new message with a download link for your exported contacts file. Click the link in that email, save the file to your computer, and you're done. From there, you can open it in Excel or another spreadsheet tool or import it into a different system as needed.